Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 10 or 11, Rocket League updated, and a working Xbox controller. Plug in a USB cable for the fastest route. Once done, Windows should recognize the controller automatically. If you prefer wireless, enable Bluetooth on your PC and put the controller in pairing mode by holding the Xbox button and Sync button together. Make sure to install the Xbox Accessories app so you can update firmware and verify the controller is functioning before moving into the game. Once the controller is connected, verify input in Windows. Open Setup USB Game Controllers or Game Controllers Settings and Test buttons. If you use Steam, open Steam Settings, go to Controller, and enable Xbox configuration support so Rocket League through Steam sees bindings correctly. If not using Steam, add Rocket League to the Epic Launcher and ensure Windows input is active. Make sure to map any custom controls in the Xbox Accessories app or Steam controller layout so your button inputs match Rocket League default. You now open Rocket League and navigate to Options, then Controls. Select the Xbox layout and confirm the controller is recognized by moving sticks and pressing buttons. Adjust dead zone and sensitivity to refine steering and aerial control, then rebind any keys that feel awkward. If the controller is unresponsive, try switching to a wired USB connection, update, or reinstall Xbox drivers. Power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: test the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.